Are you seeking a job opportunity in Kuwait? Imagine working as a CNC machine operator or a CNC machine wood designer using the Aspire version 10.4 software. A reputable client in Kuwait is currently on the lookout for individuals like you. This position offers a salary range of 200 to 280 Kuwaiti Dinars. To qualify, you should have prior experience as a CNC machine operator and be knowledgeable in Vectric CNC Software, specifically Aspire version 10.5. A minimum of 2 years of relevant experience is required. Not only should you be fluent in English, but having experience in a Gulf country will give you an edge. Be prepared to embark on an employment journey of 2 years, renewable based on your performance and the company's needs. In this position, you'll be working for 9 hours a day, 6 days a week. But don't worry about the long hours. The company will provide accommodation and food allowance to make your stay comfortable. In addition to these benefits, your medical needs will be covered as per the Labour Law contract. And yes, you will be entitled to a paid annual leave of at least 30 days as per the Labour Law in Kuwait. And if you're wondering about the visa, fret not. The company will secure an entry visa Article 18 for you. In summary, this job opportunity in Kuwait not only offers a competitive salary, but also provides accommodation, food allowance, medical coverage, annual leave, and visa support. If you have the required experience and skills, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. So, why wait? Step up and seize the opportunity to work as a CNC machine operator or a CNC machine wood designer in Kuwait.